In this short video, I'm going to show you how to make Wix website show up on Google. The first thing you want to do is head over to your Wix dashboard, which looks just like this. Then head over to the left-hand side of the screen where you will find this side menu right here. From the side menu, I want you to hover over Site and Mobile App, then hover over Website and SEO, and then I want you to click on SEO and wait for it to load. Scroll down a little bit, and right underneath Tools and Settings, I want you to click on SEO Settings, which is this one right here. Click on that, and then wait for it to load. And right underneath Set Site Preferences, you will see that the first option is Let Search Engines Index Your Site. This will be disabled by default. So in order to have your website show up on Google, what you have to do is enable this feature right here and then Show Site. Click on that. And then as you can see, you're going to get confirmation that your site can now be indexed by search engines, and that includes Google. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make Wix websites show up on Google. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.